Uganda's tenfold growth strategy heavily depends on the development of science, technology and industrial sectors as the country targets a $500 billion US dollar economy by 2040. This ambition is pushing science teachers to enhance their competence in teaching STEM subjects in a bid to produce the skilled workforce needed to realize Uganda's economic growth.
Yes, there are many ways to do this.
Stakeholders of the Uganda Professional Science Teachers Union are strengthening expertise in robotics, which is a key component of science, technology and mathematics. In 2023, the government of Uganda enhanced salaries for science teachers, a move that is also prompting private schools to raise standards and improve the quality of STEM education.
The teachers being well facilitated or their welfare being catered for properly, these teachers have become more committed to their jobs. And the science teachers are the mothers of the science professions. The moment these teachers concentrate and raise well-mentored learners, I'm very sure the government will be the first beneficiary into this.
Now we are looking at the future innovators, students that we're teaching in sciences. And you know very well that the President, His Excellency, has put much in the science fraternity.
If Uganda's economy is to make a significant leap, greater emphasis must be placed on innovation rather than duplication.
I like the word that you use, leap, because there's this phrase called leapfrogging. And they use it if a society or a group basically does not take the same steps as somebody else who's more advanced, because that causes path dependence. So if you develop something, it's always based on what you had before and before. So you're also quite limited by what you have experienced. So in the Global South, the advantage that you have is that you can jump above all these previous steps and create something that is not dependent on them.
Contrary to popular belief, teaching STEM, particularly robotics, is accessible even in school settings, but a shift in mindset is required.
There's this mindset that robotics is hard, robotics is technical, robotics is expensive. So those are the mindsets that it's not that. We start with what we have and continue building to prove that it's not that hard, and also it's not too technical, and also it's not that expensive. So once we change that mindset, it's easier now to transform the way we do our things and to really have a perspective that we can be able to really work with what we have.
A team from the World Robotics Olympiad, a global competition for children, hosted by Mindset Coders, is in Uganda to train teachers and stakeholders on effective robotics instruction. The initiative builds capacity, improves knowledge transfer, and generates widespread momentum for the education sector. Wadulo Arnold Mark for UBC News.